Billiard is the fine art of thinking ahead, an art that requires the mind of a chess player and the steady hand of a concert pianist. Einstein is supposed to have said that. It can be difficult for beginners to choose a good shot and execute it correctly. Wouldn't it be ideal if the player were supported? That is the goal of Billiard-AI. First of all, a camera and a projector are mounted over a pool table. The projector displays information for the player directly on the table. The camera records the current game situation. The position and color of each ball are recognized and displayed. Let's draw some possible shots for this situation. In fact, there are many more options. Direct and over the rails. The difficulty of each shot is assessed. What is important here is the distance that the balls travel, the angle at which the ball is hit, and the required strength. The simplest is then suggested to the player. How hard and at what angle the white ball has to be played is calculated and animated. The resulting game situation is calculated using a physical simulation. This means that possible future shots can be taken into account in the search and planned as strategically as in a chess game. In the infinity game mode, the player automatically receives suggestions. If the situation changes, a new suggestion is calculated. The result is an intelligent pool table, which teaches the user in a playful way how little strength a good game of billiards needs, sharpens his eye for optimal moves and trains their successful execution. With Billiard-AI you get better and have fun.